Muraba and Namaganda Veras Grunji. Right.
It's a privilege to be next to you, sir.
We have a candidate before us. I, Alicia Precious, being returning officer, Sembabule District, pursuant to the Parliamentary Elections Act, Cap 177, declare Nina Kankunda, who is sponsored by National Unity Platform, duly nominated to contest for woman representative to Parliament, Sembabule District.
People power!
Congratulations.
Our power!
People power!
Mr. Ngozi referred me to you. I'm the one who has been calling you Latin.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
I was this girl yesterday. I was wondering. Oh, they can give you the vibe.
Thank you. No, Shanaka. ¿Vas a cuñando? Pues.
Everywhere. Katigamba muno bino bilala. Ekikwasiza kazira okalagala kwebaza akakiiko k'ebyokulonda ab'e Sembabule. Onyaniriza n'essanyu. Mr. Precious, thank you so much for welcoming me in a very harmonious way. I'm so humbled and grateful.
Ogenda kutandikira kuki era singa oba owangude ng'owanu?
Ngenda kutandikira kunoonyeza abavubuka mirimu. Kubanga gy'ensonga lwaki tubonaabona. Singa abavubuka balina emirimu nga bali bulungi, singa twakulaakulana dda. Singa tetulinda ne gavumenti eno tubaako kyetuliyirira oba tugulirira ng'obusentesente bwe batuliisa. Nze kyekyo kwensimbi essira era y'ensonga gye ngenda okukuba omuntu ali bize tasabiriza ate tebamukozesa nsobi.
Webale nnyo. Webale nnyo honorable.
Biki ebyolaba ebiremeredde Sembabule byogamba nti nze bwe naaba ngenze mu buyinza mu myaka 40 gino naffe emyaka 5 bino gye ngenda okusookerako.
Sembabule yalemadde emyaka 4 emabega. Tugambe nti kati tugenda kutandika butandisi. Twagala enguudo empya, amalwaliro amapya, twagala abaana basome bulungi basobole okupiikinga, twagala abakyala bazaale bulungi, abaana abawala baleke kubeera nga bo kye balowooza kwe kufumbirwa nti kyekyobugagga kye bayinza okuleetera abazadde baabwe. So eno Sembabule yeeremerera dda olw'ekibiina ekibadde kigitwala, naye twebaza National Unity Platform, twebaza abantu b'e Sembabule okulemera ku mazima n'okumanya kye baagala ne bawagira enkyukakyuka ne banteekamu obwesigwa era y'ensonga lwaki ndi wano kuba njagala kubaako kyentuusa.
Sembabule manyibwa nnyo mu mivuyo gy'ebyokulonda nga unit platform weteeseteese mutya mu nsonga
tugenda kukuuma mpisa 100%. Ffe tuli ku maanyi g'abantu tugenda kukuuma mpisa tukole ekyo kye tukola tulabise kuba omulimu gwabwe kukuuma ddembe sonja nabo kibakakatako okukola ekyo ekituufu guno omulundi bataata tusabe mukole omulimu gwaffe naffe tugenda kukola ogwaffe ffe tugenda kukuuma mpisa nga pulezidenti waffe era bw'atugamba tukole ekyo ekituufu kye tulina okukola tutalage buli wamu we tulina okunoonya akalulu kaffe byonna bye banaakola ensi ejja kubeera bakamera kweziri
ekirala akasembayo webale nnyo onalebo kwogera ku kyaddwaliro baŋŋambye ne Sembabule bazimbayo kyaki yokka
abasiraamu tebabalowoozezaako
mu myaka 4
bannange mpozi n'ekirala basebo ne banyabo kansinziire wano wennyini congratulating muganda wange comrade waffe ali emabega w'emitayimbwa Honorable Waiswa Mufumbirwa, congratulations. Wonna woli sebo tukuliyo tukuyirawo omubiri nze nabitandise dda era congratulations katika bitandike n'abantu bo bonna banaye mumubeeremu tujja
kataka kusembayo aliyonko nteza akarolo kwenyuma
onda bebagenda okukakuuma bebagenda okukalangirira
akasembayo nze kagenda eri abasirikale abatawanya tubasaba ku luno Sembabule si yeri ya bulijjo gye bamanyi ffe twagala nkyukakyuka baleka kututataganya baleka tukole emirimu gyaffe
akakiko k'ebyokulonda
gwabwe gwa kutukuuma na bintu byaffe
webale
si kutukuba na kutumenya
ebigambo bibiri oli muyimbi obadde muyimbi ekyo kinti ogenda kuseera ng'okyali muyimbi
nkyabakubira ddala lwaga kubanga pulezidenti waffe tekimujjanga konti muyimbi akyali muyimbi ennyimba ze tukyazinyumirwa nange ŋŋenda kuyimba ate nga
muyimbi munno ndajjano yagambye nti okugja kampeyini okukubirako kampeyini olina omuwa ssente okkaanya naye mukyayo
bwe bali bakwagala munda sokoleka tumalirize wano kalubindi
amazina gange munyambe bannange Oh no, Michelle, where are the ladies that I came with? They're coming. Ne birungi aliwo.
It's okay. This one has the 2.5, right? Let's say I know they have a
Bwe tumala wano twagala bakuba ku muziki tugende kikirizibwa bayibuli kubakuba muziki kubasanyusaamu soke tumale bino omukyala mugamba kwepambadde mpadde kuba gyenzijeko contact
Of course, our viewers of NTV on this particular time, we're coming to you live from Sembabule district. Sembabule is about 175 kilometers southwest of the capital, Kampala, and we are here because the day one of nomination of members of parliament is ongoing, of course, across the country, but somehow we had to end up here because of what you saw happened in the NRM primaries. But we are here. It is already 5 p.m., 8 minutes past the hour of 5 p.m., meaning the nomination exercise of this first day has come to an end, and the very last person to be nominated on this day here is Nina Kankunda. Nina Rose, popularly known. I don't know if I pronounced that well.
Yeah, you did well.
Nina Kankunda. Well done. Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you so much, Anthony.
How was the process like for you? I saw as if you took a lot of time there. Why?
Well, it's a process. Yeah. So it takes a little time, but I thank God that I made it. I thank the people of Sembabule. I thank everyone, my team. You did a good job to make me be here and make it a success.
Let's talk. People will be wondering, you're a superstar, but why all of a sudden did you choose to join politics at such a time?
Because I sing for the people. So it's only right for me to serve the people.
What is the biggest agenda that you have for the people of Sembabule? We didn't even tell people what position you're standing for. Maybe you'd want to clarify on that.
I'm the woman MP, Sembabule District, 2026, 2031. Yeah. Nina Kankunda.
There are about 4 or so candidates that you're competing with.
Right.
And you know, one of them is an NRM candidate. Of course, the other are independent, and then you are NUP. Are you counting on your popularity to propel you to victory, just like we've seen other celebrities here in Uganda talk about the party president, your party president Robert Kyagulanyi, talk about people like Hildeman. Their fame has taken them to hold important or critical leadership positions in this country. Do you see yourself in such a situation as well?
Yes, but I'm counting also on the connection I have with the people of Sembabule. Yeah. I'm on ground, I'm with them, I'm counting on the relationship we've been building, and that's what I'm trusting for now, not the popularity. Yeah.
Talking about the ground, I'm sure that you've been able to test the depth of the waters for now. How does the ground look like? What do people say about Nina Rose?
People love me. People of Sembabule have pushed me to be who I am today, and it's only mandatory for me to root for them what's best for them.
What do you think the previous leadership of Sembabule, especially in the docket that you're going for, district woman representative in parliament, what do you think? Where do you think they failed that you're coming to rectify?
Definitely, they have failed us for the last 40 years. This is why we're here. Yeah, and me personally, as a youth, my first, what pushed me is to root for new job opportunities for the youth, so that we can be well off and develop our, district.
How supportive is the party, the National Unity Party, platform party, by the way?
It's supportive 100%. It's the reason why I'm here. It made sure that I am the leader that Sembabule has today.
Did anybody at any point ask you to join politics, or it was purely a personal decision?
It was purely a personal decision. Because look where I come from. People drink with animals. There are no schools. I was coming here, it took me like hours to be here because of the bad roads. So it's only right that I did this decision, and I'm here to serve the people of Sembabule with truth, honesty, and inclusiveness.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What about the financial aspect? I know politics attracts a lot of finances in terms of nomination. It's
Right.
3 million plus movement here and there, supporting supporters, facilitating them to move from point A to point B.
Yeah.
How are you able to raise all those funds?
Friends, the support of the party as well, and also myself. I'm Nina Rose, hello.
You've heard, buddy. And then one other question that I have for you is,
Yeah.
how do you think joining politics is going to impact on your music career?
It is impactful because here I'm speaking for the people that I sing for. So I believe I'm going to be a voice to the voiceless and be the right person to deliver the message to where it's supposed to be delivered as an artist.
We've seen your party president, Robert Chagulanyi,
Yes.
ever since he joined active politics way back in 2017, we've seen him less and less. He's not been singing ever since then. He's been releasing maybe 1 song or 2 songs in a year. And that probably is likely to happen to you. Do you see that coming?
It has already happened. We don't have a copyright. We don't survive on our music, on our creative. It's one of the reasons why I joined politics, because I need to be a voice to those artists who can't even eat on their creatives. Yeah.
Does that mean that you are going to see less and less music from Nina Rose?
No. I'll try to keep the pace, but people need to know that in this country that we're in, creatives don't have the copyright. So it's useless to create. You are creating for people who don't even know what art is. So you are only draining your own energy. All I can say is just we need to fight for the copyright for us to gain from our creatives. Yeah.
And what are your supporters telling you by what have they been able to tell you? Your supporters, let's forget about the people here in Sembabule, the supporters of Nina Rose, what have they been able to tell you specifically about your decision to join politics at such a time?
They are supportive because what concerns them concerns me too. They're supportive 100%. And I love the fact that my fans are not putting me on pressure that, hey, we want a new hit, we want. What I serve them is already enough for them to let me at least root for the people of Sembabule, because this is where I come from. If I'm good here, then the music industry will be good when at least I have a voice 100%. Yeah.
One biggest role for a member of parliament is to do legislation. I mean, come up with laws that are going to, bring about critical change to the country. But when you see the trend of our MPs nowadays, most of them are elected, they go there. Sometimes they forget even what took them there. They end up just earning their money and going about their business, forgetting about the people. As Nina Rose, as Nina Kankunda, what are some of the issues that you think you're going to push hard to ensure that they are brought into the law for the better of the Ugandans, for the betterment of the lives of Ugandans?
I need to change the mindsets of the youth. I need to make them busy. I need to make sure I root for them to see that unemployment is down. I need to make sure that at least health centers are at a level where it's standard at least. Where we can't see women die giving birth in Sembabule, where we can see young girls die giving birth. Yeah.
Let's talk about, we are winding up, let's talk about gender issues in Parliament, because about 36% of MPs are female. And do you think that figure is enough, or that number is enough to raise issues that affect women? And what do you think can be done to ensure that the welfare of our mothers, of the girl children of this country, is made better?
I think the voice of the women need to increase. I need to urge the women also, we need to come together and make this a concern. Our voice really matters, and we are the biggest number in Uganda. So if we have one voice, something can change, and I believe together we can.
Let's talk about the youth briefly, because the youth is a majority of the population in this country.
Definitely.
I mean, one of the fast rising population in the world. You are a youth yourself, and you've come at politics at such a time. What would be your message for the youth? Is it time for them to rise up to the occasion and join politics for the better of this country?
100%. But you don't need to join it. You need to do right. Vote right, know what's best for you. That's all I can say for the youth. Because the future is ours. The future is now, and if we don't do something now, we're only going to bury our future.
We are winding. There's a lot of politicking in this all parliamentary business. People use certain situations for their own good and not for the good of the country. I could give examples, but for my own safety, I'll leave these names out. But you know what I'm talking about. What do you have to say about that particular
I'll let
issue?
my brother answer that. He's also standing with me in Maogola North.
Oh.
Council Senator, please.
Can I get okay.
Abantu bagambe kino atuse obedda ekitebe kyonna kyonna kino ekyerekyo komisioni omuntu gwe kirinze eyo n'atuuse olumala nga tuggalawo olumala bwe tuggalawo deyadeni olumala okumunominatinga wano tuggalawo then tugutwale Sembabule mu kibuga wennyini mu senta njagala kumuza wali omubaka njagala kuzza wali maama namawulire abatera babulungi abadde agikubye enkofiira nakwatako nemunsawo Our power, bane mudemu n'amaanyi, people power, our power. Omubaka omutongole omutuufu wuuna nti mulese atuuse Sembabule mama Sembabule wuuna atuuse bannamawulire buli omu agenda okwogera ayagala ayogereko obugambo butono nnyo nga sinnamutwala era kyembadde njagala obbagamba nti tagenda kwogera kati webale nawe kuseba omubaka wo wuno mukuleetedde mu maanyi agaddala
Thank you so much.
Sembabule has been waiting for you.
Thank you so much.
And they are very, very in freedom to welcome you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, please. Yeah. And come 2026, you'll be elected as a Parliament one MP come 2026. There's a challenge that we shall maneuver. You can maybe greet the press as we proceed.
Sure.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, Basebo ne Banyabo, it's the Ugandan property, aka Nina Rose, aka Mama Sembabule. Jagala kwebaza abaana tube Sembabule okunjagala n'okuntuusa ku lunaku luno. Jagala kwebaza abantu bentambudde nabo mwenna abakyali bange abayimbi ne baganda bange bano benasanga wano ne tugatta Oluganda kuba tuli ku nsonga y'emu. Lunaku lwa leero Sembabule nzize yenze zezaalwa yammwe ebibaluma binnuma sijja kwogera bingi.
People power, our power.
Sure. I think it's okay. Good. Let's
come back. Yeah, just give us more time. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Let's come back.
People power, our power,
people power.
Nyanza okumpesa ekitiibwa n'okumbeereramu abantu bange. Abantu b'e Sembabule nsaba bakujjukirenga.
Mama Sembabule era tukwagala mu Sembabule ogijjemu bino ebintu bye tutuse tulabamu.
Amiina.
Ogigolole.
Amiina. Sawa Mungu akiriza. Daya si walugembe.
Walipa. Tugenda okufuga.
Olipa. Yes, sir.
How are you?
Hi, darling. How are you?
I'm sorry we are on lunch time. I don't want to keep you waiting.
No problem.
So just give us like a few minutes so that we can prepare for you. You just enter with your people and you get where to sit comfortably.
No problem.
Do you mind being in a tent or you want to?
I think we'll wait here.
Okay, it's okay. Just a few minutes.
Naye ne wane watu
Singera na kuvuka banange nze semata idi bana mawulire sasa okala bana banaye onakolwa lero tuze okwewandisa mutongole fe abenkyukakyuka era nga kyabonye president waffe nze semata idi subira bulungi tugenda kuba successful kubanga twetetesa bulungi era nga ne interview bene mukugikola nabagambye eggulo nti fe twajja tumazeeko nga muwogo ogulumva wakati nku ate wansiki wansi mmere kale tusibya tujja funa omukosi gwonna mu nteekateeka eno tulina tiimu nene nnyo semata idi mawogola north tulimbo namuga we mawogola kaunti tulina omukulu mawanda oyo nno nga we mawogola west tulina ne mukulu Museveni Isaac onaye nga wawa olw'emiyaga mbuzi tulina ate empologoma enkyala oyo nno nga nina kankunda nina rose mulesa omukuba gyagenda okuddako nga maliriza mpozi tulina bingi mu manifesto yaffe tugenda kukolera bana mawogola north tuba tufunye omukisa kyemanyi oba tugenda byogera budde buno naye nga nansabisa okwemenya ewandiisa oba oli awo bisigale tubifune oluvannyuma